Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Origins by JP Infra located in Matunga. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. The project is located on Rambagh Lane. Also from the left and right of the project you can go towards the Eastern Express Highway. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Speaking of the project overview of the project, this project will be spread across 0.75 acre of land parcel that will have one tower with 4 wings of basement, ground plus 19 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at Rambagh Lane, road number 4, Matunga. From where you have Eastern Express Highway at a distance of 1 kilometer, Matunga railway station is at a distance of 2 minutes walk, Sobo is at a distance of 25 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 to 2 kilometer from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project will have 10 plus amenities that will include gym, yoga room, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now let's speak about the configurations and the carpet areas. As said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 600 to 750 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 900 to 950 square feet. Speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Origins by JP Infra located in Matunga, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.